Alrighty guys, so I'm back in here in the marsh today. It's the first, as you can hear, there's a lot of ducks around me. It's the first Saturday of duck season, and I found a pile of birds in here. It sounds like I saw them going down right where I'm set up today, and I'm only running 6 decoys. Where I'm set up is it's on the river, but it's kind of like a little back slough, so the river winds and turns, and it has a little feeder creeks and things like that. So I'm set up on one of these feeder creeks. Me and my buddy hunted around here yesterday. I didn't get any footage, but we saw a lot of birds, ended up killing 3. So if I can just get a couple birds a day, man, I'd be really happy. So I'm gonna finish setting up these decoys, and then we're gonna get after it.
There we go. Got our woodies.
All right, guys, so I'm out of breath. I'm telling you, if you're gonna come hunt muddy swamps in Virginia, I don't know why anybody ever would, make sure you're in good shape. Cause I'm a high schooler. I should be able to do this stuff, if anybody can. And I'm panting and feeling like I'm about to have a heart attack in here. All right, so got back to my stuff. Here's the birds, 3 birds for the day: mallard drake, woody drake, hen woody. I thought the woody hen was a drake. I don't know why. It looked just like a drake when it was flying. I could have sworn it was a drake, but it happened. So here's the birds. Absolutely beautiful, beautiful mallard drake. I mean, just a stud. The drake woody, he's also really pretty. We get more woodies than we get mallards, so I know a lot of people across the country would really relish the chance to kill a wood duck, but for us it's like really normal. That's our most targeted species around here mostly. The woody hen, it happens, man. Low light conditions, they fly fast, and I don't have a problem with shooting woody hens. It's just I would have loved to kill 2 woody drakes. The woody drakes are just so much prettier, and they're actually quite a bit bigger. But yeah, that's pretty much it. I'm gonna start walking out. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Make sure to subscribe to the channel if you haven't already. More duck hunts like this coming out. I'm gonna be duck hunting tomorrow, probably doing a woody duck hunt, or woody hunt. This spot, hopefully the mallards will start coming back and I can get a hunt in here. And if you guys have any questions, comments, concerns, anything like that, just leave a comment down below and I'll make sure to respond. Thanks for watching.